Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video, I have a 16-seater set for you. When you're looking for a bigger seating set, this can be an option that you can choose. And this is a little different one more time. We are making so many designs every day. Every day we are getting pictures from different countries like Turkey, Egypt, Italy, and a lot of catalog images. Catalog images are the one that are generated on computer, on software, and these days by AI. You go to AI, give a prompt there, and you get amazing pictures. And here we are converting those pictures to real sets here. In this set, we have one, two, three, and four two-seaters and four chairs, along with two tables. One I have kept for the visuals. We have one more, is 5 by 3 feet for the table size. Once we have a glass on it, it's ready for use. It's in teak wood and triple shade. You can see white with gold. The carving part is highlighted in gold, and then we have a brown highlight in the middle. Here you can see the brown highlight that we have along with a beautiful fabric as chosen by the client. Quickly, I'll give you the sizes of all the units, and then we can move on to the further details. The two-seater is 5.5 feet out and out. Back height is 52 inches. There's a couple of inches less than 4.5 feet. Front to back there is 30 inches, and the combination of fabric, you can see how well the client liked it, and we have done it. I'll sit on it. I'm sitting on a side, and you can see how much space still is there. The curvaceous set that you can see here, the curve here, and the design underneath. Everywhere we have got nice curves, and that makes this set unique and different as well. It's made in teak wood that is so beautifully, so amazingly crafted, colored, painted, and then upholstered to make it a royal set, designer set, the set of someone's dream, something that anyone would love to have in their home. Along with this, we have nicely carved four chairs. The back height is 4 feet, left to right 36, 3 feet, and front to back 30 inches. I'll sit on the chair. I'll show you the look of the chair as well. Quite wide chair, spacious, and the Maharaja look, as you can see here. I can sit very comfortably here, and the look of the throne that we talk about in our furniture, because royal means something that should look like a throne, and this is what we capture in everything. Along with that, this table is 5 feet by 3 feet, as I mentioned, and the carving work, a 360-degree carved pattern you can see all around in solid teak wood. Another interesting thing about this set is double carving. The carving that you see on the front, we have carving on the back as well. I'll pull the chair a little out so you can see more clearly. And this is really good option when you are putting the set right in the middle of the room, when the back is quite visible. In that cases, the back carving gives a set an amazing, distinguished, exclusive look that is not possible in plain furniture or machine-made furniture, because this is hand work. Three broad points I like to cover here. First, everything is customized. Customized means is choice of the customer. Size, design, colors, fabric, number of seats, number of tables. If you want side tables along with this, you want to add a settee or an open back settee or a divan, we can provide all of that. And home delivery in India and in 55 countries across the globe. We have already done it for so many customers, so many people. And if you look at the testimonial section on our website, you will find thousands of pictures there, all from the client's home. The stuff has reached their place, they have placed it, they are happy with the output, sent the pictures back to us with the love, blessings, and reference orders. And we have placed those pictures proudly on our website. I can assure you will not find a single website across the globe that has got so many testimonial pictures, so many real pictures of the stuff that they delivered. And the last point is about the factory price. We are making it here and delivering directly to your home. That is in India or out of India. 55 countries we have already covered. So when you get the stuff direct from the factory, it's always the factory price. and factory price is the best price that you can get from anywhere. If you go to a showroom, you will find standard units sitting there. They have got done from a factory or someone else or outsourced it. Definitely the cost increases. If you are an architect or an interior designer, Aarsun can help you to convert your dream project to an amazing project, a real dream project. Because whatever you have planned, whatever innovation, the stylish designs, the colorful theme, the amazing theme you have designed, you have shown to your client, here at Aarsun, we convert that to reality. And one more set here. And in 1500 plus videos on YouTube, where we have shown so much stuff, so many designs, sofas, dinings, beds, and swings and partition screens, so much stuff that anything you are looking at, you can definitely choose Arson for the best quality, factory price, and safe home delivery. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement and love to make what you want. Thank you. Dhanyavad.